You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the distance between 2 points. The distance between the 2 points is the square root of 21,941, or 148.125. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the distance using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are, x1 equals 59 and y1 equals 85. The coordinates of point 2 are, x2 equals negative 87 and y2 equals 60. D is the distance between the 2 points. First, take the square root of both sides of the Pythagorean theorem. This gives us the distance formula. Plug the coordinates of the points into the formula. x1 equals 59. x2 equals negative 87. y1 equals 85. y2 equals 60. Calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Simplify numbers raised to exponents. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the distance between the 2 points is the square root of 21,941, or 148.125.